Copy school! Oh hey, just playing a friendly game of dominoes using my mother's personal dominoes. She may want them back. Anyway, today's dish is inspired by my mother, who is not only the best mom in the world, but also the best cook. Yeah, I know what you're saying, not better than my mom. Come on. I mean, really. Seriously. And today we're making her famous arroz con gandules. Come on, let's get started.
You're about to have a little taste of what you're missing. But if you cannot stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Full of flavor, flavorful, save your tools. Te vamos a enseñar unas recetas del baúl. Slice, dice, chop, nice spice, hot or mild. We got it, you just name the style. One in a mill, culinary skills, prestigioso. Todo queda sabroso.
So today we're making my favorite rice dish, period, to my mom, who is the best cook in the world. She makes the best Puerto Rican arroz con gandules, and guess what? She's not even Puerto Rican. My mom is Peruvian. She came over from Peru and married my father, who was Puerto Rican. She had to adapt and learn how to cook Puerto Rican food. And when I say hers is the best, every time we go out, family functions with friends, they always say the same thing. Is your mom going to cook the rice? Super simple, easy rice dish to make, and I'm going to show you how.
Let's begin with the flavor base, which includes 1 Spanish onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, sofrito, click the link above for the recipe, and pork belly. My mom uses salt pork or tocino, but I had some pork belly, so I'm going to use that. Cut the pork belly or salt pork into a medium dice. Cut the onions in a medium dice as well. Smash the garlic to loosen the peel. Then mince.
Let's start off with the 2 main components of this dish. First, the rice. If you're Puerto Rican and you don't keep your rice in a soda cracker can, I'm questioning your authenticity of being a Puerto Rican. This is where we keep our rice. I don't know why. It's the same thing with the butter and the margarine tubs filled with sofrito. I don't know why. We just do it. And the second main component of this dish is gandules. Now, some people use the Goya brand. I personally like El Jibarito brand. I just like this brand better because of how plump the gandules actually are, and it really stands out in the rice dish. You can use either or another brand, totally fine. This is just what I use. Now, normally I would cook this dish in a caldero, which is a aluminum pot commonly used in Latin cookery. This is a smaller caldero, and I need a larger one because I'm actually making this rice for one of my good friends, Eric Harris, also known as the Foreigner. He is the one who's rapping on that dope intro, and it's his birthday today, so I'm going to be making a lot of rice. So I'm going to use a different pot, but if you can, purchase a caldero. It's great for rice dishes, so if you can pick one up, I encourage you to do so. I'm actually going to drop a link in the description where you can purchase it online.
Add the pork belly to a caldero or large pot set over medium heat. Cook the pork to release its fat, which equals flavor. Add the diced onion and saute until translucent, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the garlic and saute for 30 seconds. Add the sofrito. This is about 2 tablespoons. And saute for 1 minute. I'm adding a little bit more oil. I'm using our signature spice, but you can use the ever popular Latin condiments adobo and sazon to taste. Our signature spice can be purchased on our online store. Mix until combined. Now add the rice that's been rinsed. I messed up. I was supposed to add the gandules before the rice, but you know what? Stuff happens, even in the kitchen. Nobody's perfect and it really doesn't make a big difference. It's fine. I'm fine. Add the gandules with this liquid. Some people drain the liquid, but that's like draining the juice from canned fruit. It's flavor. Stir to combine. Then add oregano and black pepper. Using a 2-to-1 ratio for 3 cups of rice, I'm adding 4 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of water. However, the best way to measure the water is by dipping your finger in the liquid until you touch the top of the rice. The liquid should come up to the first line of your index finger. Believe me, it works. Bring the rice to a boil. When half of the liquid has been absorbed, give it a quick stir and partially cover the pot. When most of the liquid has been absorbed, evidenced by the tiny holes on the surface, turn the heat down low and cover entirely for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the rice onto itself and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Garnish with chopped cilantro if desired. Beautiful, fluffy, and full of flavor. Add some hot sauce, then take a bite.
Ridiculous how wonderful this tastes. Ridiculous.
There you have it, arroz con gandules. And remember, nobody's perfect, not even me.
Serve it with some chicharrón de pollo. Basically Puerto Rican fried chicken. Ooh, ooh. Damn it. That's what I get. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, smash that like button and click to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.